Hi, welcome to Toyota Northwest Edmonton. This is going to be a walk around of a 2014 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. And when we look under the hood, we see a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It puts out 266 horsepower. Looking at the front, we do have wide-angle fog lamps along with projector style headlamps tied to an automatic headlamp system. And this is running on 18-inch aluminum alloy rims. We have great side profile view, tinted windows, roof rack in the sandy beige color. The key fob allows for keyless entry, and you can operate the power rear doors. On side, you'll notice the body side moldings to help protect against stings and dents. Let's take a look at the interior. Inside, you'll see the very spacious interior. We've got a light gray leather power driver's seat. Look at the sunroof. In the left instrument panel here, you'll see your power meters, your vents. You can also turn off your traction control if you need to. Your parking sonar. Here is your blind spot monitor. Now this will flash if someone drives in your blind spot. Makes changing lanes quite a bit easier. Your steering wheel, you do have your Bluetooth phone, audio controls, voice recognition, all to help keep your eyes on the road. Here on this small display here towards the top, you can see your backup camera. Also get a signal from your parking sonar if you're close to an object. Compass and garage door opener are built into your rear view mirror. Then your audio system, which includes CD, FM, auxiliary, and your electronic climate control. 3 zones, driver, passenger, and then your center row seats. That's all displayed on the top screen here. It'll also be separated for each one to be individually different, or you can be all controlled as one. You make way a little bit lower, a small hidden cup holder, and your driver and passenger heated seats. Now let's take a look to where your passengers will be seated. Of course, the power rear doors, you got the captain seats, and the seats fold forward to review the third row seats. The center row can be removed if you need more storage. And let's take a look at the rear. And we're making our way towards the back. You can see with the third row seats currently up, you've got a considerable amount of storage room. And the seats do store very quickly. See here, it's done easily with one hand to reveal a considerable amount of storage room. And for them to come back up, it's just as easy. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this walk around of a 2014 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. If you have any questions or want to take our test drive or just want to check out a few more features, feel free to click or call. We're down here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, just by the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Looking forward to seeing you here. Have a great day.